We are in Pembrook Pines, Florida. C.B. Smith. It's a county park, Brevard, not Brevard, but somewhere in Florida, one of the counties. And we are on our way to the site. Did a pre-trip inspection of the campground. It's kind of tight, but I got Chantel behind me. We disconnected, and we're gonna try to slide on in. Then we have a surprise visit. One of Chantel's friends.
Why little kids and big kids can't touch that?
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
You
were just about ready to open it. What's that, babe?
You bringing in your Etch-a-Sketch book?
Estelle's ready.
She's got her purse.
You ready for Cinco de Mayo, girlfriend?
What's Cinco de Mayo?
Cinco de Mayo,
Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah.
This is not mine. Whoever gave me an extra blue, that's weird.
We're Pembrook Pines, Florida, CB Park, and we might decide to bug out an extra day early. Still have to chat about it over some Dunkin' Donuts, coffee, but we were scheduled to take off tomorrow. Not a bad place, but we were planning tomorrow to go to Fort Myers. Might head over there a little bit early because we're dropping off the rig in a couple days, and we have to get a lot of stuff ready for that. And then we have a trip to St. John, so we have to pack for that. So got a little bit going on and not a whole lot of time. Alright, we're getting ready to leave Pembrook Pines, Florida. We're going to head to Fort Myers, jump on 75, head over to Naples, then head north. It's about a 2.5 hour ride. Doing my quick inspection, make sure everything looks good. Gonna hit the dump on the way out. I decided to hook up before we left the site, which isn't what I typically do, but I think I can make that turn right there. Been having some issues with the generator. Hopefully it stays on. This is the third time. Shut off about 3 times in less than 5 minutes. So there's some type of ground issue or something going on with it that has been an ongoing problem, but hopefully North Trail RV will be able to fix it. It's on the list of things to address. So Betty got some rain, cleaned it up a little bit, and we will see you on the road. We thought we were going to be in Fort Myers, but we were actually in on Pine Island at the KOA. Pretty cool spot. As you can see, really nobody here. So we had about a 3-hour ride here from Fort Lauderdale, and we're gonna take a quick dip in the pool and then have a quick bite to eat. And then we have tomorrow, nothing planned. Then we have some maintenance on the rig, recall item, and then a bunch of warranty items that we're going to get done at North Trail where we purchased it. From Pine Island, Florida, KOA. Beautiful morning, nice cool breeze, quiet campground. Gonna go try to find some coffee. So Chantel and I are hanging out in bed, watching one of our favorite RV shows, KYD, and the kids have absolutely taken over. Absolutely taken over. We have a spaceman. We have a spaceman on a wash machine, and we have a minion on the dryer over there. What they don't know is we're up really early tomorrow.
Wow, I'm exhausted.
I know.
I'm exhausted. I'm so happy for him. Oh, I'm so happy for him. In that phone call, it was just made me so proud to think of him up in the air talking to Tower. Like, this isn't, I mean, there's all different levels, and he's not to the head, but this isn't the beginning either. Like,
Oh. Love you. All right, we're up a little early this morning. Kids are not morning people, but gonna get the rig ready real quick. We prepped it yesterday, so it'll be a quick unhook and on the road off the Freightliner. And last night I think I talked Chantel into driving the rig for the first time, so we're gonna see if she's still in the mood for it. And the kids both gave thumbs up and want mom to try driving, so we'll see what happens. Doing a quick check to make sure the lights are working, and looking at the map, South Point Freightliner's 35 miles away. Takes us about an hour and 20 minutes to get there. So, kind of a bummer, but hopefully there's not too much traffic. We'll make up a little ahead time. Dealer service department told me to be there between 8 and 9, so we're going to try to get there as close to 8:15, 8:30 as we can. And Aaron and I are going to get some haircuts. We're bringing the Jeep along, and yeah, go from there. All right, we are at Freightliner, going to get the car seats out of the rig, get them in the Jeep, get the kids in the Jeep, and then got a haircut appointment in about 20 minutes. Errol and I got quick haircuts at the Barber Crew in Fort Myers, Florida. Errol got his haircut by Courtney. I got mine by Leon. They did great. Errol did amazing, and we are ready for St. John.
Spiders, skeletons can't get you.
This is our go-to chicken wing meal. Today we're going to have it for lunch. We've been using this Kinder's red jalapeno garlic. It's really, really delicious, not too hot, just enough kick. We put that on after some oil. Put it in the air fryer for 10 minutes, 400, flip it, 10 minutes, 400, done. Got some Blondie's coffee, and we're gonna flush the black tank this morning. Before leaving the Pine Island KOA, I decided that it's probably best to flush the black tank. So first, emptied the black tank and then ran several gallons of water into the black tank. Filled it up probably about halfway, ran out of time. So released that, give it a nice little flush. So when we get back in about 11 or so days, the rig's smelling pretty good, and something we should do every couple months anyways. So our rig has a few warranty items that we're getting addressed at the dealership. We also want to get our refrigerator either fixed or replaced, so when we pick it up in a couple weeks, it'll be ready to go. And no, we were tempted at looking at other rigs. There were some beauties on the lot, but we're perfectly content where we're at now, and hopefully we'll be back on the road in just a few short weeks.